Welcome back to another Secret of the Pros here. And shout out to all the fans that hit me up on YouTube. Also, you can buy my tracks on my website, pristineproductions.webstars.com. You can buy the latest reggae loops, stems, and continue to support me, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to mix reggae, and a lot of people sometimes are not sure how to come about to get that big sound. So I'm going to get into my rhythm here and show you what I did here. So let's get right down to it, right? Now I have a nice bass line here. Let's start off with both the drums, both the piano here that make up the reggae section. I'm going to bring in the piano here. Let's do that. Now I'm sending that to a reverb just to create a vibe. And I added a guitar here. Now on the guitar, you want to make sure you're getting some bite. So I'm using the GTR gate comp. When I turn it on, you can hear the bite in it. If I want, I could distort, give it a vintage sound. So I did that, do a little bit of EQ here, combined with the piano to get a nice balanced sound here. Now you also want to make sure that you have a good bass line groove. So what I went ahead and did with the bass, I took off a little bit of bottom end here, I leveled off the bass here, cut out a little bit of 70 kilohertz here, and cut a little bit of 150, 155 of that sort. And then I boosted back a little bit of 30 here, about 5 dB. If I take off the EQ. Bass is too muffled, it's turned on. Nice and bouncy. Now here's the drum kit here. Now for the drums, when I did a little bit of parallel compression here, I'm going to turn that on. Add a little bit of reverb. I wanted to bring out the kick and the snare. So what I did, I took the SSL channel stripping, I boosted a little bit of low end here to get a little bit more sub on the kick. And since it's the entire drum kit I'm mixing here, not the individual parts, I'm bringing out the snare drum, a little bit of the 3.36K. Listen to the kick top when I engage the SSL channel. You can hear that thumping, and you can hear rim shot a little bit better. So that's what I did with that. I'm also doing a little bit of pre-mastering on the mix bus here using the Bax EQ here so I can get that big reggae fat sound. If I turn it off, it doesn't sound really interesting. Turn it on. Give me just enough weight. And I'm adding a little bit of width here. And I have a little bit of organ playing. So that's what I did to get that reggae sound. So remember to follow me, guys, and hit me up on my website if you want to buy these packs, including this rhythm right here that I'm playing. Just go on my website and click on Pristine Productions Reggae Land Pack. And I'm going to make this available to you to download. Support me, guys, and I will catch you on the next one.